Alright, well, it might work. Yeah, I don't know what the heck that is. That is really cool. See, I wish I had your phone because you could zoom in probably more. I can't zoom in very close with my phone. Huh. Very unusual, though. I've never seen that bird here. I'm going to have to look it up on Marlin just to see. Or Martin, whatever that app is that I've got about the birds. I mean, because even his bill is, his beak or whatever is, it looks huge, but it's like short and, you know, like a parrot or something. Weird. Very cool, though. I'm gonna have to look it up.